Friday was a pretty hectic day. Boy, did these markets go up, the indices that is. They have been flying. So what trade are we going to take today? We're looking at the forex, we're looking at the currencies. In particular, we are considering the US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's come down quite a lot, it's retraced quite a lot. So we're going to talk about that trade today. On the indices, we would like and love to get into a trade, but the risk to the upside, the risk to reward's not that great because it's run so hard. So we're looking for a better entry if we're going to go with the trend, and if we're going to go against the trend, or if it breaks structure, we'll look to go short on the indices like the S&P and that sort of thing. But it being December, one never knows, and it's probably safer to stay with the trend. That said, don't forget the risk disclaimer, and the risk is the following. Most traders, in fact 80% of traders, lose money. And you probably will too, and you probably shouldn't be trading. Don't follow my trades. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Trading is a 50-50 game, as you know. It either goes up or it goes down. Let's get to it. So the US dollar, Canadian dollar has retraced quite a lot, and it's come down quite a lot. The trend is to the downside. So our preferred trade is obviously to look for an entry to the downside, a short, a better entry. We don't think it's going to stop going down just yet, but on the flip side, it is showing signs of green, showing signs of a bit of a long. So if it breaks a little bit of structure and it starts to look to the upside, maybe breaks the trend, then we'll start going long again because it is way oversold. So enjoy your trading day. Have a marvelous day. And by the way, if you want more details on the trade, if you want exact levels, pop down to our little blog. The link is in the description or the bio. And have a look there. We put the exact levels in there that if we take the trade, and you can follow it from there. It's logical trading. It's Rob Guilty. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful day.